It started with a question. How powerful can a drone really be if it weighs less than 250 grams? DJI answered it with the Mini lineup, and the world of aerial videography was never the same. Now, the game has changed again. Introducing the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a drone that doesn't just fly, it redefines what's possible in a sub-250G category. For filmmakers, travelers, and first-time drone buyers, this might be the ultimate sky companion you've been waiting for. If you thought drones this small couldn't be professional, think again. This is where portability meets pro-grade power. The DJI Mini 5 Pro continues DJI's tradition of keeping the weight just under 249 grams, which makes it travel-friendly and often exempt from complex drone regulations in many countries. But what's different this time? A more aerodynamic body with enhanced airflow channels and improved propeller design. The result? Greater flight stability even in windy conditions. And with a new matte finish body and compact folding arms, it's a sleek, stealthy tool that fits into any backpack or pocket, ready for takeoff anytime, anywhere. This is where the Mini 5 Pro takes a massive leap. Rumors point toward a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a first for the Mini lineup. This sensor size allows for superior low-light performance, deeper dynamic range, and true cinematic video quality. Expect 4K 100 frames per second video, HDR support, and 10-bit color depth that enables serious color grading in post. Still photography? Think sharp, vibrant, and detailed 48MP RAW images. Perfect for content creators who want to push beyond smartphone quality visuals. The camera is mounted on a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for buttery smooth shots, even in fast or unpredictable flight conditions. Battery life has always been a balancing act in ultralight drones, but DJI seems to have solved it again. With the new high-efficiency motors and optimized battery chemistry, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to offer up to 40 minutes of flight time. That's not just an incremental improvement. That's game-changing. Imagine shooting a full scene, scouting a location, or capturing an event, all without the constant stress of landing and recharging. With the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus, even longer airtime may be possible, giving creators more flexibility and fewer interruptions. One of the biggest limitations in the Mini series was limited obstacle detection, until now. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to come with omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, powered by multiple visual sensors and AI algorithms. That means it can intelligently detect and avoid obstacles in every direction, making autonomous flight modes like active track, point of interest, and follow me more reliable and safer than ever before. Whether you're flying through forests, over water, or between buildings, this drone has your back, and sides and front. DJI is likely to integrate its OcuSync 4.0 transmission system, offering a massive leap in both range and quality. With a 15 to 20 kilometers transmission range and 1080p/60 FPS live video feed, pilots can fly with more confidence and cinematic precision. Whether you're flying over mountains, rivers, or remote landscapes, you'll get real-time feedback with minimal latency, allowing for tighter control and a better flying experience. And yes, all of this with improved anti-interference capability, crucial for flying in crowded areas or signal-heavy zones. What if your drone knew exactly how to get the perfect shot every time? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to come packed with advanced intelligent flight modes like master shots, quick shots, hyperlapse, and waypoint mode. You can now set up complex flight paths, track moving subjects, and capture dynamic scenes, all automatically. This makes the Mini 5 Pro perfect for solo creators who want high-end production without needing a crew. Just tap and fly, and let the drone do the storytelling for you. Leaks suggest that DJI may introduce an upgraded DJI RC2 with this drone. This controller may come with a built-in screen, enhanced grip, and faster boot-up time. No more fiddling with your phone. Just turn on, connect, and fly. With ultra-bright display capabilities, you'll be able to see your feed even in harsh daylight. This isn't just about convenience. It's about transforming your workflow and letting you capture moments faster and more efficiently than ever before. Whether you're a travel vlogger capturing remote landscapes, a real estate agent showcasing luxurious property from the sky, a wedding filmmaker crafting unforgettable aerial moments, or simply someone curious to explore the world from above, the DJI Mini 5 Pro has something to offer for everyone. It's not just compact and lightweight. It's been engineered to be exceptionally beginner-friendly, featuring smart obstacle avoidance and intelligent flight modes that make flying feel intuitive even for first-time users. Yet, beneath its approachable design lies professional-grade power, capable of delivering stunning image quality, smooth 4K video, and advanced control options that seasoned pilots will appreciate. If you're in search of a truly versatile drone, one that balances portability, performance, and price, the Mini 5 Pro stands out as a one-drone-does-it-all solution. It's more than just a flying camera. It's a creative tool built to compete with drones twice its size and cost, all while fitting in the palm of your hand. While nothing has been officially confirmed yet, several reliable industry insiders are pointing toward a likely price range of around $899 to $1,099, depending on which combo kit you choose and whether it comes bundled with the standard controller or the advanced DJI RC. This pricing strategy positions the Mini 5 Pro as a compelling option, accessible for serious hobbyists while still offering the kind of professional-level performance and features that content creators and commercial users expect. It strikes a sweet spot between affordability and capability, potentially drawing attention from both newcomers and seasoned pilots. Based on DJI's historical launch patterns, an official announcement could arrive any time within the late summer to early autumn window, which is when the company typically unveils major updates. And when it finally launches, there's a strong chance the Mini 5 Pro could take the crown as the most powerful lightweight drone in its category, and quite possibly emerge as the most talked about, most widely used drone of the year. The DJI Mini 5 Pro isn't just another incremental drone upgrade. It's a bold declaration of how far technology has come. It sends a clear message to creators and professionals alike. Power, portability, and professionalism no longer have to exist in separate categories. With this drone, DJI is proving that you don't need to carry a suitcase full of gear to capture studio-quality footage from the sky. It's the kind of creative tool that redefines possibilities, enabling filmmakers, content creators, and aerial storytellers to explore dynamic angles, chase golden hour light, and tell stories with a freedom that was once reserved for high-end, heavy drones. Whether you're an experienced drone pilot looking to downsize without compromise, or someone stepping into aerial cinematography for the first time, the Mini 5 Pro could represent your next big leap forward. This drone doesn't just raise the bar, it breaks through it, because now the sky is no longer the limit. It's just the beginning of what's possible.